Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see the demo for Subject Allocation app PHP web application. Now let's see how to start the project. First open the XAMPP control panel. Start the MySQL database and Apache web server. Next go to the Visual Studio Code. Here you can explore your project folder and then click the readme text. Here you can see the project URLs and then login details. Copy the localhost PHP MyAdmin and paste to the browser. Left side you can able to see the backend database. Click the DB name, you can view the backend database tables. Click the table name, you can view the table data. For Windows user, open the XAMPP control panel. Start the Apache and MySQL. Then click the MySQL admin button, it will promote you to the web browser. Then you can able to see the backend database. Next go to the Visual Studio Code. Explore the web folder. Here you can see the project delivery files. Explore the JS folder. Here you can see the Angular JS files. Click the file name, you can view the source code. And then click the HTML file, you can view the HTML source code. And then you can see the PHP source code. And then go to the readme text, copy the project URL and paste to the browser. So this is our project homepage. Here we have two roles, admin and staff. Let's start with admin. So this is admin homepage. Admin can add the staff members and then manage the section and subject and then view the all allocation details. Let's start with the manage section. Here you can view the section list. If you want to update or delete anything, you can do it here. Or if you want to add a new section, here you can enter the section, then click the create section button. Once you do that, it will be created. And then click the manage subject. Here you can view the subject list. If you want to update or delete anything, you can do it here. But if you want to create a new subject, here you can select the section and then enter the subject name. Once you do that, click the create subject button, it will be created. And then click the add staff. Here you can add the staffs. You can enter the staff name, email ID, password and then mobile number, login ID and then select the staff type and then enter the department, year and then select the section and then enter the subjects and then year of experience and then select the gender. So once you do that, click the submit button, it will be added. So what are the staffs you have been created, you can view here. Click the update button. Here you can update any details, you can do it here. If you want to get the more information about the staff, click the more button. Here you can view the details. So here you can using the search option. Here you can search any field wise. And then click the all details. Here you can view the all subject allocation details. Here you can filter the data like subject wise. If you want to export the details, click the export button, it will be download. Next log in the staff. So this is a staff homepage. Staff can be book the subject and then view their booking details. So click the book subject. You can view the subject details. If it is free, staff can be book the subject. So whatever you have been booked, you can view here. Once you completed, you can click the release button. So the subject released successfully. If it is already booked, you can't able to book the subject. If it is free means you can book. And then click the my profile. Here you can view the staff profile detail. If you want to edit the password, you can do it here. So this is a subject allocation PHP web application.
Code shopping.